Boy Victoria, and in this video I'm going to be showing you three apps that you are going to be using to get more reach. If you are looking for a way to get more reach on your website, to get more contacts, to actually blow up on Facebook or get followers, to follow up what you are promoting or what you want to do, there are three apps I want to show you. But let me remind you that these three apps are unknown to anybody. Some people might be using it and some people don't know the potential in it. Let me show you the three apps that we're going to be using to actually get reach, as it says in the thumbnail. Okay, the first one is called Notepad. You actually use Notepad to keep records, to just jot some certain things down, and we are going to use this thing called Smart Typer. Smart Typer is an app that actually generates write up for us. It's an AI app that actually generates write up. We don't have to do anything, crack our brain to do that. You just have to tell the AI what you want to actually do, and it actually do that for you. And the last one we are going to use is Quora. Everyone knows about Quora. Quora is the main site that we are going to be using to actually get this reach. Quora is actually the main thing that we are going to be using to get this reach. Okay guys, let's jump into the video. First of all, I need you to actually go to Play Store. First thing I need to do is go to Play Store, search about Smart Typer. Smart Typer AI keyboard. This is actually a keyboard that is embedded. It is together with your own keyboard. It is like a keyboard that you use to type. This type of particular keyboard, I'm talking about this type of particular keyboard that you see me typing with. You can see me typing with it. It is like this. That is how this Smart Typer is like. So you just have to download it. As you can see over here, this is a Smart Typer. Just download it. I will open my own up. Just have to come over here, download it, follow this step by step, because after this you'll be getting reach and you don't have to crack your brain to write anything. Just follow this step. This step is unknown to anybody on the internet. The reason why I actually take time to publish my video is that I need to check some things out before I publish. I check some things, I make sure that it's working before I start to publish anything on YouTube. So if I click on open over here, this is how your own will look like. This is how your Smart Typer keyboard will look like. This is the first thing I need you to do. This is the first thing I need to do. This is how it will look like. Then you go to where it says Open AI key. Open AI key. This is my own key here. How do you actually generate this key? Before you can actually use this keyboard on your phone as you type, before you can actually use this keyboard on your phone to type, you have to actually set it up with an API key. How do you get an API key? This is how you get an API key. If I need to open openai.com, this is a site over here. I won't put it I won't put it down below because I don't want YouTube to actually ban this particular video on my description, so I won't put the link there. Just follow the link, click on the link, it will direct you to the site. If you just click on the link, this is what it will show you. OpenAI, this is how it looks like. You just go over to menu, you go over to menu over here, go over to menu, sign up. This is where you sign up, filling your login details and other stuff, and other stuff. Just create an account with your Gmail or anything. I've created an account with them. Then you verify your email. After verifying your email, I won't guide you through that now because I want to actually run this particular video fast. I don't want to waste much of your time. After you open it and you just sign up and other stuff, you come over here and fill in your stuff, fill in your information, create an account with your verified email address, and then this is where it gets crazy. Here, once you have logged into your API key, click on after creating your password and creating your account, just come over to the step 4. Click on that place where it says login. come over to step 4. This is the API key. This is how to create an API key. Come over here where it says create a new API key. If you have not created a new secret key, that is where you create a new secret key. If you click on that, it will guide you through some method. You just generate key for you. You just have to copy it and keep it. This is actually my key here, and this is my name over here. So that is how you set it up. Then copy that key that you have generated. Copy the key, because you have to copy it and paste it. After copying the key, just have to paste it here. This is where you are going to paste it, and then it will be automatically saved, and then you can use this particular AI key. Then the second one we are going to be using is what? Going to Quora. The second site we are going to use is Quora. Let me show you what this particular keyboard does for us. If you know Quora, Quora is actually a site where you go on and post your links and all that stuff. Actually post so many things on add value to people on Quora. If you watch my videos, I usually talk about Quora and what Quora is capable of doing. So you just have to come over to Quora. Let me log into Quora and then show you why this is particularly, why this keyboard is powerful. If you know about Quora, you need to what? Answer questions in order to get what? In order to get views. In order to actually get views on your write-up or anything that you want to promote. In order for you to get views, you need to answer what? Questions. This is where it comes to. I'll just click on where it says answer over here, and this just need to show you. For example, I'm using this thing for example. Click on answer over here. I will just pick a random question that people ask, and then let me show you the power of this particular keyboard. Okay, this is a question here. How much can I earn from 15k views on YouTube? This is actually what? This is actually a question. And the second one says, how do I find a website developer online? Let me click on this. Let me click on this and click on answer. Just wait for it. Okay, it has popped up. I'll just have to copy this particular thing over here. I don't know anything about websites or development or anything about websites. I'll just have to copy it but I want to answer this question. I want to answer this person's question so that he might click on the link that I'm using to promote my product. I'll just go over to Note. That is why I asked you to actually download what is called Note. You need Note. This is Note here. I'm just rushing this video because I don't want to waste much of your time. Then click on this one over here. Paste that particular question that the person answered here. This is what the person answered on Quora. What the person asked on Quora. How do I find a website developer online? Then here you click the next one, enter text. Then I just have to switch into what? I just have to switch into that smart typer. This is smart typer. I'll just click on this place where it says, I'll just click on generate response. You can see where it says generate response. Watch how the magic happens. What will happen now? Look at what will happen. This is just to copy and paste. Okay, it's not working fine. Maybe it doesn't have let me copy it again. Let me generate response. Okay, the best way to find a website developer online is to use a freelance website such as Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. This website allows you to search for website developers based on their skills, experience, and location, blah 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 blah. This is actually how this magic happens. You see what I did? I just have to copy that question and come over to Note and just paste it and click on generate response, and it automatically generates this response for me without me doing any work or cracking my brain to write anything. I just have to copy this link, this particular write-up over here, copy it, and then come over to Quora and then answer this particular question, paste it over here. I just have to paste it over here. Let me copy it and come over here and come and paste it. Just give me some time. Let me just copy it. Let me copy it and come over here and just paste this particular thing. Okay, I've pasted it here. I'll just click on where it says commit, and I've submitted my answer. They will just what? Submission successful. The space has 14 days to review. They will review it and then what? Do what? After reviewing it, they will actually do what? Publish it on their platform. And this is how you make or reach many people. You can answer this question, you can repeat this process as many times as possible. Answer questions, and then you just have to add value. Maybe you just need to answer like 5 questions. After answering five questions, so that Quora won't ban you. If you don't want Quora to ban you, answer like 5 questions or 6 questions, then add a link in the 7th question that you want to answer. That is just how you do it on Quora. Don't just go and be adding link and say that I asked you to be adding link. No, don't do that. It shows how desperate you are. But you answer 5 questions or 6 questions, then you on the 7th one you just add a link. You just add a link so that Quora won't see it as you are spamming those people, or you want to deceive them into clicking or buying your own product. I hope you guys understand this, so that you won't go and be pasting link on this website and be spamming these guys. So this is just how it is. This is just how you do these things on this platform. So if you get a lot of value from this particular video, don't forget to leave us a like and then subscribe to our channel. Actually, about your questions, I'm actually back on YouTube, and I will continue to produce a great content about your question that you people have been asking. In my next video, by God's grace, I'm going to answer those questions one at a time. I'm going to answer those questions one at a time. See you next time.